Were you expecting an anime character to greet you? Well, too bad. Here I am, and you can see inside of my face. Hi. Hi. You know, I'm just tired of like putting in all this thought into my video. So let's jump right into it. Enough with this stupid introduction stuff. Let's go. Oh yeah. I'm also supposed to be smart. That means I need to put my glasses on, right? Haha. The first step is to open up Visual Studio or Rider. So here we go. I have Rider open and yeah, let's write something. Okay, so first of all, let's go over all the basics you need to know, which is let's start with classes. And in the case of Unity, we need to know about mono behavior. Who am I kidding? We're not going to do any of that boring shit. So the first thing here to look at is Scratch MIT. So what's amazing about Scratch MIT is that there are building blocks of code that you can snap together. So it's a highly intuitive way to learn coding. And yeah, if you think you're too dumb to learn code, that's awesome. That just means you have to learn code using a method that was meant for children, right? I mean, that was helpful for me, okay? 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 I used to think I was too dumb. I used to think I was too dumb. I was too much of an artist. If I was an artist, I can't be a coder, right? Duh. But no, I've actually started trying to learn coding recently for Unity, and I'm surprised because I'm actually learning it. Like, holy shit, maybe you don't have to be a genius to learn how to code. Ta-da, this is Scratch MIT, and it is one of the loveliest things ever for learning code. Well, it's for creating games, but once you learn code, right, you can use the foundation for any other sort of code you want to make. What's awesome about Scratch is that it skips over the useless crap that you don't really need to know just to get started. Like, who cares about classes and making sure everything's set up perfectly when you don't even know what coding means or what coding could do or how to think in a coding mindset. So, I'll go over really basics here because this video is intended for people who are actually beginners. I'm sorry to all of you who feel like you're not very advanced, but there are people out there who are literally starting from scratch. Scratch! Ha! The puns. Anyway, so one thing that is also in Unity is the start function, but I won't go too much into that. I'm just going to focus on Scratch for now. But this is interesting, right? See, because there's only a node underneath it, if we want to do wait 1 second after start is clicked, the flag just means when the game starts. So this button right here, it's gonna execute this block and it highlights to show us it's executing it. So intuitive, you don't even need to type anything. Ha ha ha. But see, if you try to wait 1 second and then get the flag clicked, it doesn't work because it can't connect. Do I need to explain any further? It doesn't connect because nothing can happen before that. See, I don't even have to explain it. It's so intuitive. Oh, no, I don't want to. Why are my fingers moving on their own? Hello world. No, I don't want to say. I don't want to say hello world. We said hello world. Lovely. So this is how a print function works. So I recommend that you just go ahead and mess around with Scratch because that way you can get a overall understanding of how programming works before you dive into the details and refine your knowledge. And in my opinion, it's much easier to build up your knowledge in that way. So you can repeat 10 times. So there is a more complicated way to write this in actual code, but this isn't about how the actual code syntax is, right? This is about how the blocks work and understanding the flow of the language. What I want to do is play meow every time and have the pitch change. So let me see what happens if I do something like that. That's so okay, we have to use this block until done. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. So you can see how formatting the code in slightly different ways changes the outcome you will get. And a more convenient way to write this code is actually like this. And yeah, why don't we add the wait 1 second now? Nice, nice. Okay. Oh, I love this. And then let's just make the cat move around like crazy. We can just loop this to happen forever. Yeah. Forever. Whoops. Okay. Wait. Forever. There we go. Now I should just go forever. And what's great about a variable is that now if I ever wanted to change where this kitty cat glides to, make this -2. The code should not break, so it will still be gliding gracefully back and forth. And yeah, we don't have any problems, so we don't have to change the numbers individually as we would have had to do if not using a variable. So I highly recommend testing out Scratch. And you can even change sprites a bit. Oh, my fingers. Do you still feel dumb? I hope not. Maybe you still do. That's okay. Feeling dumb. Trying to say something positive here, but don't give up. Keep trying. Keep trying. Sometimes things are just taught in a way that doesn't click. Sometimes that's just how it be. And through constantly looking for something that clicks, I think one day you'll find it. You might not expect it, but you'll find it. Anyway, should that be the end? Should that be part 1 of my programming tutorials, or should I add on to that and do more? I don't know.